Ownership structural in a company. Ownership is the one of most fundamental concept in the world business. It defines who hold the right to the asset, profit, and strategic decision of the company. However, is today in consulting complex and globalization corporate landscape, the notion of ownership extends far beyond and simple to almost all shareholder register. The company's international structural predicament of control and deep influence for corporate government, decision making, and performance. The narrative refers into the ownership structure of company, expanding it from significant and evolving dynamic. Understanding ownership structure. The ownership structure of a company refers to distribution of equity ownership among different types of the stakeholder indicatable on the perspective of the company and by extension. Was the power, the influence of control competition. Ownership is not only about legal and mental, it's about economic interest. Voting risk and the managers the ability to set the strategic direction of the company. Ownership structure vary with the cross company industry and country. They can be contract as disparate individual or institutional dynamic. The forgive first family of government also is a type structure come with on dynamic and consequent. Corporate ownership, the model as well as a holder of the recording family like the investor hold a significant position of shareholder. The structural is common in many emerging market and financial business. Construct owner can lead a strong positive and long-term community, but also extend and minimal shareholder operation is second balance with display ownership. As contract with display ownership is served by a large number of stakeholders as holding a small fraction of the company equity. The typical of public corporate with development economy like the United States and the United Kingdom. While this can promote perception of flexibility, it may also result in the weak monitoring as individual stakeholders lack depth and power to oversee management actively. Family ownership. Family owned business requires a significant statement of the global economy, and thus company one or more family member with ownership and shareholder management role as well. The structure was the community tradition and long-term vision, but may also hinder in innovation and professionalization, escaping during generation traditional. Step ownerships. Some company exploited charges and even or transportation of party the wall under the governments. State ownership can serve public policy goals, but may also lack the political interference in faction and collision objective between profitability and responsibility. Globalization. Conclusion: the power of behind the scene. In conclusion, the ownership structure of the company is more than a financial detail. It is a strategic level. The influence nearly every aspect of the corporate life is determined by how the power is expressed and to what end. Well, design ownership structural is inactive, support strong performance and lay the foundation for the sustainable success. As company face monitoring pressure to be transparent, ethical, and accountable, ownership will continue to be a strategy not just for who own what, but for how what ownership shape behavior outcome, stakeholder, what influence regulator or society life. Are the like us who own the company and what do they stand for is answering the question. We again deeper insight into the true nature of the corporate not just of economy entity, but as reflection of human value, relationship and ambition. So this is about ownership structure in a company, a narrative explanation.